And this is why we are human. And this is your emotional part, so your feeling that are somehow not so objective. They are very subjective, but they become objective in your body. And the third one is your mindset. So the quality of your thinking in relationship to what you do. So you see, all humans are a result of stories that we tell ourselves. That story that we said in our brain, that we develop for many reasons. We develop from society, family, friends, teachers, federation. Then, you know, there is a danger that we start to believe in that. And sometimes, you know, we can decide to believe in something great, and sometimes we just absorb the mentality of what is outside us. So, one more time, free family, the body, just touch yourself. You're feeling that mostly is a relationship between heart and brain, okay? There is a channel from these two that when you go in your feeling, unconsciously, we want to close our eyes and we get more in this area. When we talk about feeling, we are not here. We are more there. And then is the quality of thinking that we decide to develop. These three channels, because they are channels, they are intelligent, they make you free and powerful, or they can make you weak. Okay?